morning. It's been a long drive to get to the beach. We're still not there, but we are going to attempt the beach for the first time. And I just got a new hat, and I'm like still trying to decide how much my rim needs to be folded in. Brad got me a new hat. We're headed to Fort DeSoto, one of our favorite beaches. Yeah, it has taken us so long to get here today. It's the longest it's ever taken us to get here. Sort of cloudy. Looks like possibly a smidgen of rain, but when you look at the forecast, there's nothing. But so if it's just a sprinkle, like whatever, it's fine. I just want to put my toes in the sand and the water and see how I do. We're not going to go to like the north beach. We're gonna go to the beach closest to like the gift shop because it's gonna be the easiest for me to walk. The place that we normally go to has like this like sandbar kind of thing. It's not really a sandbar, but it's just area that it takes a longer time to walk across. So people, you live in Florida, get some pass. Sorry.
Oh my gosh, they really don't have.
So we're gonna go, I don't know how long we can stay for, whatever.
All day.
Yeah. No. I don't know if my nerve block has helped at all. I'm still having pain. Not as much as like before, but I still have like a lot of like really sharp pain going down like the right outer part of my thigh. I haven't had like the burning sensation or the electrical shocks. It's more just sharp stabbing pain. So we'll see. But let's go to the beach. I'm excited. It's been forever since we've been down this way, and I'm just excited just to get my toes in the sand, feet in the water, and just see the beach, smell the ocean, all of the above. So, yay. See, there's a little bit of dark clouds, but then when you look this way, it's perfect. So, we'll see. It's no big deal. We made it. And this is why we came to this one, because it has like the boardwalk thingy to walk across. Easier for me, so happy.
Easier for me?
For you? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I got problems.
Okay, we're here. Yay. Ocean's behind me. Beautiful sand dunes in front of me. Trying to get a little bit of sun just because vitamin D is good. But look how pretty this view is this way. We love coming here. I'll show y'all the ocean in a second. We found some really good mini shells today. So today is the mini shell day today. Tons of these. And found a mini sand dollar. Oh, it's broken. Found one piece of coral. Kitten paw. An apple murex. I think that's an apple murex. I'm not really sure. Don't quote me on that. But I love it. Here's a view of the beach today. Look at that sun glaring down on the beautiful water. Sorry it's really, really windy, but so beautiful. It feels so good just to have my toes in the sand. I didn't get really in the water, just my feet, just because of my back and my leg, but it's a gorgeous day. So gorgeous. Hi, baby. You have fun? Yeah? I know. Love you. Look at the sand dunes. Here's a little bit of relaxation time for y'all if you love the sound of the ocean. So that's the ramp that we used. Normally, like, you just walk across like a small area of open dune down this way where it's like the North Beach, but can't do that today. Some days even before the lake situation, I couldn't do it, but that's why we came and parked here. We are heading home.
Penn State. Oh.
What?
Can you turn that back up?
Oh,
Unless you want to put these on.
Oh gosh.
Can you turn the air back up,
yeah.
please?
Okay, as I was saying, we are heading out. We didn't stay that long, just for a few hours.
3 hours.
Yeah, actually it was 3 hours.
3+ hours.
This is where we parked here, the snack bar gift shop area, to make it easy for me to get out. It's so pretty here. We love it. Definitely a good day for that because it's nice and breezy. All these kite surfers out. Such a pretty backdrop too with the bridge. So pretty. I definitely could never do that. Even before my back issues. I definitely would like fall all the time. Although I did ski. I don't know. It's probably fun. What a gorgeous day we had. So beautiful. My voice is like crackling again. Which the allergist did say that that's gonna clear up if I have that sinus surgery. Did you enjoy your day at the beach?
Sorry.
Sorry. You found some really good shells for me.
I live closer.
I know.
Like have a beach house
I know.
for the weekends.
But no, you found some really good shells. Remember? I got some good ones.
So stinking small.
I know. Well, there's a few that were somewhat decent. You know, I still haven't cleaned the shells from Sanibel. They're still out in the garage. That could be a project for me and Remy.
There's plenty of projects.
I know. Why is my voice so bad? But the allergist did. That was mean.
Grandma.
That was mean.
Grandma with your wheel. Wait, your what do you call it?
Walker.
Walker.
He's so loving. No. The allergist did say that should clear up because I have like all the post-nasal drip and stuff. Sorry, it's TMI, it's gross. But I did call the allergy doctor yesterday to try to talk to the scheduler for surgery to see if we could process it and get like the estimate and stuff, since we already like met our out-of-pocket deductible and out-of-pocket max, all that kind of stuff for insurance. So yeah, there's Tropicana Field if you guys are baseball fans of the Rays, which we are not, but there it is. Downtown St. Pete is over that way. Tropicana Field. I'm sure I shared that before. We got some side of fries. Brad had fried mushrooms. I don't think I shared. I got a pineapple pizza. Got a medium so I can take home leftovers. Brad got a stromboli, a large, so he can get leftovers as well. I'm excited. Let's dig in. Okay, I think the next aisle over is, oh, there's little kitties in there. Okay, we're getting a little bit more than we intended, but hopefully the stuff that we're getting is going to help clearance stuff. Well, it's not cat stuff anymore.
What the heck? The water just sprays onto the
I know, and then there's like weird grass, like fake grass up top there.
yeah, and it's weeds, so it's like they don't really.
Yeah.
It's golf grass.
And then there's a new Publix over there.
Well, that's been there.
Oh.
You've never noticed that?
No. It's definitely a nice entrance.
Oh wait, this just comes together with
Epperson.
yeah, because there's Epperson right there. This is how big Epperson is.
Look, look at this. That one's not even working.
It happens. They need to clean the weeds. They don't even like really.
There's a lot of builders in
I think
this
it's
one.
a lot of wasted space. I mean, they try to make that miraculous. There's West Bay in here. Let's go see where the West Bays are at. Oh, there it is. So really, this is all connected. So it's kind of like.
Are you sure it's connected? I don't know.
Over there, that is.
I don't think it's connected. I don't know. Oh, they just came from the lagoon. They need a golf cart. Y'all need a golf cart. Grand opening of the nation's largest lagoon, spring 2023. Wow, this parking lot definitely is better than the other one at Epperson.
Yeah, but they have a stupid fence up, so you can't even. You can't really get the whole grasp of it. So it's not like. Are they done with it?
I don't know.
I guess they're not done fully building it out.
Obviously, people are here.
It's like they're trying to hide it. They didn't do like
The scenic view like it is at Epperson.
unless it's up there.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, because you can't. Yeah, you can't even. I don't even think you can. Why wouldn't they do a view?
Try up that way, maybe.
I want to see where the West Bay homes are, though. Are those homes right there? Or those? Oh, these are. Holy cow! Jeez, why don't they have a four-way stop here? No, there's not. So I can't. I'm going to turn around. There's what it looks like. What is 4 houses and 5 houses in one?
Yeah.
Look, they have the nice roofs, but they're so small. Yeah, you can kind of see it up. Okay. Yeah, you'll be able to show them. Oh, you gotta love these entrances, though. So yeah, this is the back end of.
Oh, you can't hardly see it.
You will here in a minute. I'm gonna go up in the grass. There.
Yeah. Oh, there's like a water slide type things here at this one.
Yeah, there was at the other one.
Let me zoom in.
Yeah, why didn't they build that you could look down on
Yeah, it's definitely bigger
it?
than.
Oh yeah, that's huge.
Yeah.
It goes back to the right pretty far.
Yeah.
So it is double the size.
It's probably nicer for like the swimming area and stuff, you know?
Oh, that's cool. That's fancy pants. Whoa. Whoa.
I think this is the 55 plus section.
Oh.
Yes, 55 and better.
Oh.
So this is like.
I need to turn around and go out?
Yeah, you can't go.
Because I don't think I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Is this the Tampa Villages?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, see, it says active adult.
Oh, active adults. Why do they get the fancy bridge? Because they're over 55. That's cool, though. I drive across this every day.
Yeah. Well, look at those trees. So pretty.
That's why you save them. Oh, it's West Bay.
Yeah. Look at all these fancy houses.
Oh my goodness.
From the high 500s.
That said 6.
That one says 5.
There's one there that says 6.
Oh, this one's available.
Oh, honey. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna say it's $1 million.
Probably.
Holy cow.
This is the other fancy section. These have like pools inside like the houses, like in like a courtyard kind of thing.
No, I don't think these do.
No?
These houses don't. Nope.
Yeah, no.
Nope, they didn't build them like this here. Although, look at that.
That one has a courtyard. But they're so smacked up.
That's retarded.
They're so smacked up against each other.
That's retarded. Yeah, that one
Like
is.
that one has nice space between the home.
That is a pool. There is going to be a pool there.
Look at how much space you have between that one. That one's nice.
That one's been sitting a while.
Yeah, a lot of these have been sitting a while. Oh my gosh, yeah. Did y'all enjoy our little tour of this community?
Wait, can I?
I don't know. We've never been in here before. How am I supposed to know? Now we're gonna head home and go see Mr. Remy and show him.
Oh, this was a road that was here that they took. Oh, we've gone this way. Yeah, this is the road we'd normally go home. We're gonna come down here to the road by the waste recycle. The old orange orchard. The old orchard.
Okay.
Because there's gonna be a house up here for sale. No, it's not here.
But anyways, I'll show you what we got.
What is that, Wes?
I will show you what we got Remy when I get home. And
Will you?
call it an end to the vlog for today.
What is this?
So,
maybe we have not been
yay.
there. This is Epperson.
But it's not connected though.
It is so. Trust me. Yeah, we've never gone this way. This is a different way.
Okay, so I decided to just do the quick little haul for you guys in the car because Remy's gonna want to see his new toys when we get home.
Oh yeah, so he's gonna tear the bag out of your hands.
We got this cute little narwhal. I saw this with my mom when we went to adopt Remy.
Is it that you like it or you'll think Remy will like it?
I don't know. Both?
Yeah.
So it wasn't on sale when we were there to adopt him, but it was on sale today. So we got that. We got him some catnip bubbles. See if he likes playing with bubbles. And then the other toy that I got is a pull apart yarns. He loves the yarn ball that my mom gave him. This is like a 3-in-1. It comes with like a mouse, the yarn thingy, and then it also comes with some sort of Velcro thing that he can play with. I don't know. It was cute. I didn't see it before. And then we got the calming spray, and then his kitten food. That's it. Nothing too exciting. Oh, and then we got some more litter for him. So that's it. So thanks for coming along today with us going to the beach this morning, which was so nice. I'm feeling it now, but I'm just very thankful that I was able to go because it's been so long. This is our first time this year going to the beach, and I can't remember the last time that we went to the beach last year. I have no idea. So it's been a while. I feel like Sanibel was the last time. Fort Myers, I don't even know. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.